just a little update on the room. I got a lot of boxes there. I got a rug that I got from at home, I want to say. But those are some of my bedroom pillows. I got some boxes with some random stuff, more random stuff, a lot more random stuff right there. And then I have all this in my closet for now. I don't know where any of this is gonna go, but ooh, there's actually pretty good lighting in my closet. But like, I'm just storing things here until we actually move all our furniture, because if you can't tell, I got absolutely nothing in here. Like, this box literally just has like random candles and sprays and hats, and I don't even know what else is in here. Oh, I should probably bring some of these back. They need some hair ties. But yeah, there's just a lot of random stuff here. There's some candles in here, and socks, and just like a lot of things that like I don't need. And then I have some wall decor. This was in my background for, it's really sunny in here, which is like, is really good. But also like, it's gonna be very hard to film, but like, I don't think you ever saw this, but I made this. And then this was in the background of my makeup setup, so I'll probably be up on this wall, because hopefully this wall is gonna be like my filming background for my makeup videos, because all my other ones I film this way. This is just what's going on in here for now, if it will ever focus. But yeah, since we have no furniture at the moment, it's kind of hard to like put anything away. Also, yeah, that box right there too is just full of clothes, and like my Lush box, and like there's just so much random stuff in here that I just like don't know what to do with it. Like that box right there is all Christmas stuff, and that box right there is my Christmas tree. So it is just too much to get done. Yeah, so this is just like where the bar cart is now. As you saw before, I had that, and then this was supposed to be a plant stand, and that didn't work out too well, just because it's not high enough, so we're using that as the bar cart, which is kind of pretty. And then we have this painting from I don't even know where, but that's that for now. And then this cube thing is now coffee, so we drink a lot of coffee and tea, and then all of our mugs, and we have like twice the amount of mugs that's right there, so that's just going on with that. And then this is just our pantry that is not done. It's really empty, but it's gonna be food, and then appliances and more appliances, because food on the floor is not good. But yeah, that's that for now. And cookbooks, and then random stuff that I don't know what we're doing with yet.